Hi, in this video we'll take a look at how you can replace the security door handle when it is locked and you don't have the key. So this one here is already locked, so you need to replace it, and also you have no key. Okay, there are two screws at the top, one at the top and one at the bottom. We need to take it out. It may be covered with a plastic cap, so we need to take it out. And from here we can remove the screws. Remove the bottom screws as well. Now we can take the door handle apart like this. Now pull this piece of metal out and make sure that you place them in the right direction when we put it back. Now to take the lock out, we need to take the screw out right there next to the lock. The lock and you don't have the key, then the lock will be in a lock position, so you will not be able to take the padlock out. Now because this padlock is not locked, so we can pull it out. Now as you can see, once it is in the lock position, it will be like this, and it's locked, so you cannot pull it out. Once it is in the lock position, you will not be able to pull it out. So once it's going here, it could be in the lock position. Now using a razor blade, a blade or a knife, and we try to push the latch up. So we want to push it to the right hand side, as you can see right here. So we want to push it up that way, and so that we can move the latch all the way up and open up the space so that we can pull out the lock. And there it is. It's like this. That's what causing it to lock in. Now this is what it looks like. So we still need to remove the two screws here to take out this whole assembly. Now we can take this whole thing out. That's the lock right there. Okay, once you got the new door handle assembly, we can put it back in. It will be the same. So you just have to push it in and then secure it with the two screws. Now if you don't have the keys to the old lock anymore, you can buy a new lock and put it in. If you do still have the keys to this lock, you can reuse it, so you don't have to buy any additional lock. So we just want to slide it in halfway. Now we can put the screws into the lock. You might need to move them around so that the holes aligns. Once the screw is tight, the lock will be secure and it won't move around. Now we put this metal bar back in, just halfway, and then we put the two handle back on. So one at the back and one at the front, and this one goes to the front. So make sure this one is aligned upwards to the up positions. And then you can put the two screws on. And that's it. And that's how you can change the door handle, the broken door handle, with a new one for your front security door. Thank you for watching this video.